Hello, coin enthusiasts, and welcome back to UK Coin. If you're passionate about the history, value, and unique features of UK coins, you're in the right place. Today we're exploring three fascinating coins that form part of the UK's 5 new pence history, the 1968, 1970, and 1978 coins. These coins not only played an important role in the decimalization process, but also have a rich story that makes them highly sought after by collectors. Let's dive in. First up is the 1968 UK 5 new pence coin. This coin marked the debut of the UK's decimal currency, introduced 3 years before decimalization officially took effect in 1971. The 1968 coin was introduced as a direct replacement for the pre-decimal shilling, which was equal in value to 5 new pence. It was released early to help the public get accustomed to the new decimal currency system. The design of the coin is iconic. On the obverse, we see Arnold Machine's youthful portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. This design, introduced in 1964, was one of the most recognizable depictions of the Queen during the 20th century. On the reverse, we find a beautifully detailed crowned Scottish thistle, a design by Christopher Ironside. The thistle represents Scotland and, by extension, the unity of the United Kingdom. The coin's edge is milled, which adds both security and a pleasing tactile quality. The 1968 coin had an enormous mintage, with approximately 98.5 million pieces struck. Because of this, the coin is relatively common, but examples in uncirculated or mint condition can still attract interest from collectors. A well-preserved coin can fetch around PS 2S to P12, which is a decent value considering its high mintage. However, error coins are where things get really interesting. Errors such as misaligned strikes or die cracks are rare, but can significantly increase the value of the coin, with some fetching over PSF 50 in auctions. As the first year of issue for the decimal system, the 1968 5 new pence is a must-have for any collector focusing on UK coins. Next we move to the 1970 UK 5 new pence coin, which holds a unique place in British numismatic history. Unlike the 1968 coin, the 1968 coin was not issued for general circulation. Instead, it was produced exclusively for proof sets, commemorating the final year before full decimalization. This makes it a rare coin in terms of availability, as it was never meant for everyday use. The design remains consistent with the earlier coin, featuring Arnold Machine's portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and Christopher Ironside's crowned thistle on the reverse. However, because these coins were made for proof sets, their quality is exceptional. The proof versions feature sharper details, a mirror-like finish, and a carefully polished surface that distinguishes them from standard circulation coins. With only 7,500,000 proofed sets minted, the 1975 new pence is considerably rarer than its 1968 counterpart. Today, a single coin from a 1970 proof set is valued between PS3 and PS5, while complete proof sets can sell for PS15 to PS30, depending on their condition. Since proof coins are produced with stringent quality control, error coins from this year are visibly non-existent. Still, the scarcity and historical significance of this coin make it a prized possession for collectors who appreciate the history of the UK's decimalization. Finally, we come to the 1978 UK 5 new pence coin. By this time, the decimal system had been fully adopted, and these coins were a standard part of everyday life in the UK. While the 1978 coin does not have the historical significance of the 1968 or the rarity of the 1970 coin, it still holds a special place in the hearts of many collectors. The design of the 1978 coin remains unchanged, with Arnold Machine's profile of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and Christopher Ironside's crowned thistle on the reverse. The coin was struck in cupro-nickel, ensuring its durability, and the edge is milled just like its predecessors. With a massive mintage of 235.5 million coins, the 1978 5 new pence is very common. Circulated coins typically hold little value beyond their face value, but uncirculated examples can sell for around p-zone. As with other coins, error coins from this year can spark significant collector interest. Although errors from 1978 are rare, examples such as clipped planchets or die rotation errors can increase the value of the coin to anywhere between 1020 and PS50, depending on the severity. and visibility of the era. The 1978 5 new pence is a nostalgic piece for many collectors who remember using these coins in everyday transactions. It also marks an important era in UK numismatic history when the decimal system was fully integrated into the country's economy. So, there you have it. 3 fascinating 5 new pence coins that each tell their own story. The 1968 coin stands out as the pioneer of the decimal currency system. The 1970 coin is cherished for its rarity and proof quality, and the 1978 coin is a beloved piece of everyday history. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your journey, these coins are fantastic additions to any collection. Which of these coins do you have in your collection? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow coin enthusiasts, and subscribe to UK Coin for more fascinating insights into the world of numismatics. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy collecting.